There's a lot going on up in there. Alright, so I gotta check for a little coolant leak on the 1 series. It's a minor leak, but you know, I have to put some coolant in it probably like once every 2 weeks or so. And that's dripping, leaving a little puddle. So I'm finna pull off all the other undercarriage and take a look at the cooling system, see what we got going on. Yeah, give me a few minutes, gonna get it up on the lift and get the rocking. So you see it's leaking all right here. I really need a different undercarriage. I need to order one of those. Of course, you know, we building this car all the way, so we gotta, you know, there's a lot of things that maintenance-wise that we have to do regularly on here because whoever had this car, they tore this one up and they didn't care. And so we just rebuilding it, putting it all back together, making it all make sense. So yeah, let me go ahead and get this undone and then we'll get to working on that. All right.
What a beautiful day to live.
There's a lot going on up in there. It's an oil leak that I need to find. Found a leak right here on the edge of the, right on the edge of the radiator. I just changed this radiator. I'm probably gonna have to go with a CSF one. And I got an oil leak down here somewhere too. I need to get. Look at all this. That's crazy. I need to find that next. So it's looking like it looks like I got a new pan. Whoever changed out this pan, looked like they broke a bolt off for one, and then I don't know if this shit is torqued down properly because it's leaking. But the gasket looks new. Take a look. Change the oil pan gasket. I'm not looking forward to having to do that, but I guess if I got to, I got to. So that'll be something later on we'll be doing. But yeah, let me go ahead and we found the radiator is leaking out the side, so I'm gonna have to order something for that. And then once all that stuff gets here, we'll knock that down. So basically right now the car is drivable, it's leaking a little stuff. I'm waiting on parts. Once I get the parts in, I can go ahead and order those. And then I can go ahead and assemble them, you know? So that's kind of where we're at with that. Just gotta order some parts. New radiator, probably just go with the CSF one. I'm gonna have to get under that oil pan and figure out how to get that bolt out of there, order a new bolt, replace that. That might be the end of that leaking. I just think everything wasn't torqued down properly when they did fix it. It was fixed probably before I got the car, so yeah, that's where we at.